It began with a dream, one as old as humanity itself. We gazed at the stars, wondering, are we alone? In 1977, Voyager 1 launched, not for conquest, but for discovery. A tiny spacecraft carrying our hopes set out into the vast darkness. Voyager became a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. On board, a golden record, our greeting card to the universe. And so, Voyager sails on, carrying our dreams into the stars. Attached to Voyager 1 is the golden record, a gold-plated copper time capsule. It's our greeting to any civilization that might find our lonely spacecraft. Carl Sagan and his team faced a daunting challenge: how to say hello to the unknown, how to represent all of humanity on a single disc. The record contains greetings in 55 languages, the sounds of Earth, wind, rain, ocean waves, birds, and whales. It also carries the sounds of civilization, a train, a kiss, a blacksmith's hammer. The golden record is a symphony of life, composed for an unknown audience. It holds 27 pieces of music from around the world: Bach, Beethoven, Chuck Berry, Peruvian panpipes, Indian ragas. Music, we hope, is a universal language, sharing our joy, sorrow, and creativity. There are 116 images encoded on the record: DNA, landscapes, people, and moments of daily life. The cover includes instructions and a map showing our sun's location relative to 14 pulsars, a cosmic address. The golden record is our legacy, a declaration that even if we fade, our story will sail on. It's a message of hope, curiosity, and beauty, sent across the stars. Voyager carries not just data, but the soul of our world. It's a testament to our optimism and our belief in connection. The golden record is our handshake to the cosmos. It says, this is who we are, and it will travel forever, long after we are gone. After a year and a half, Voyager 1 reached Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. From Earth, Jupiter is a bright dot, but Voyager revealed a world of swirling storms and vibrant colors. Its cameras showed the Great Red Spot, a hurricane so vast 3 Earths could fit inside. Jupiter's atmosphere was a masterpiece of chaos, with jet streams and storms unlike anything on Earth. Voyager discovered Jupiter's faint rings invisible from Earth, hinting that rings might be common in the cosmos. The real surprise came from Jupiter's moons. Io was a volcanic world, erupting sulfur hundreds of kilometers into space, a hellish, dynamic landscape. Europa's icy surface, crisscrossed with cracks, suggested a hidden ocean beneath, raising the possibility of life. This changed our search for life. It might exist in the dark oceans of icy moons, not just on Earth-like planets. Voyager's brief flyby rewrote our textbooks and expanded our definition of a world. It showed us that the solar system is more alive and mysterious than we ever imagined. Each discovery sparked new questions and new dreams. Voyager's images transformed distant dots into real, dynamic worlds. The journey to Jupiter was just the beginning. The universe was far more wondrous than we had dared to hope. Voyager 1 used Jupiter's gravity to slingshot towards Saturn, the ringed jewel of the solar system. Arriving in 1980, it revealed Saturn's rings as thousands of delicate ringlets, each a cosmic dance of ice and dust. Voyager discovered mysterious spokes in the rings, ghostly features that appeared and vanished, still not fully understood. Tiny shepherd moons were found, their gravity sculpting the rings' sharp edges. Beyond the rings, Voyager gave us our first close-ups of Saturn's moons Mimas, with its giant crater, and Iapetus half bright, half dark. The main event was Titan, Saturn's largest moon, shrouded in a thick orange atmosphere. Voyager's instruments revealed Titan's air was mostly nitrogen, with methane clouds and possibly methane lakes. Titan was a frozen alien world, an analog of early Earth. To study Titan, Voyager was sent out of the plane of the solar system, ending its planetary tour. The Saturn encounter was Voyager's final close look at a planet. Its discoveries changed our understanding of planetary systems. The grand tour was over, but Voyager's journey was just beginning. It was now heading for the stars. With its planetary mission complete, Voyager 1's true odyssey began. It sailed through the heliosphere, the sun's magnetic bubble, measuring the solar wind as it faded with distance. For decades, Voyager traveled farther than any human-made object, racing toward the edge of the solar system. Scientists watched for signs of the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. In 2012, after 35 years, Voyager crossed that boundary. The data changed. Solar particles dropped, cosmic rays surged. Voyager had entered interstellar space, the first human artifact to do so. Now it feels the winds and magnetic fields of the galaxy itself. The sun's light takes over 22 hours to reach it. Voyager is our ambassador carrying humanity's presence into the cosmic sea. Its journey is a testament to our curiosity and persistence. It travels where no one has gone before, and it carries our story into the unknown. Voyager 1 is now over 15 billion miles from home. Its faint radio signal takes more than 22 hours to reach Earth, barely detectable by NASA's Deep Space Network. For decades, this fragile link endured, sending back data from the edge of interstellar space. But in late 2023, Voyager fell silent. Its data stream turned to gibberish. The spacecraft was alive, but its messages were unreadable. NASA's engineers faced a daunting challenge: how to fix a 1970s computer 15 billion miles away. Every command took nearly a day to arrive and another day for a response. The problem was traced to a failed memory chip in the flight data subsystem. Physical repair was impossible. They needed a clever workaround. For months, they sent commands, testing and probing. In spring 2024, they devised a plan to slice up the code and store it in different memory locations, bypassing the broken chip. They sent the fix and waited. The signal returned, clear and readable. Voyager was talking sense again. It was a triumph of ingenuity and perseverance, a whisper coaxed from across the void. The recent fix was a victory, but Voyager 1's journey is nearing its end. Its nuclear battery, once powerful, is fading. Engineers have shut down non-essential systems, keeping only vital instruments alive. The iconic cameras were turned off decades ago to save power. Soon, there won't be enough electricity for even a single instrument. By the mid-2030s, Voyager's transmitter will fall silent. The conversation between Earth and its farthest messenger will end. But Voyager's journey won't stop. It will drift through the galaxy for millions of years, a silent ghost ship, likely outlasting Earth and the Sun. Its mission's end is not a failure, but the start of its true legacy, a timeless artifact of our existence. Voyager's twilight is a reminder of our finite creations and infinite aspirations. Voyager 1's legacy is twofold: science and symbolism. It revolutionized our understanding of the solar system. Jupiter's storms, Io's volcanoes, Europa's ocean, Saturn's rings, Titan's haze. These discoveries expanded our cosmic perspective and inspired new generations. But Voyager also represents the best of humanity: curiosity, intelligence, and the audacity to reach for the stars. It carries no weapons, only a message of greeting and a record of who we are. Voyager is our handshake to the cosmos, a symbol of hope and unity. Long after we are gone, it will sail on, humanity's most enduring creation. The Golden Record testifies that a species on a small blue world looked up and acted on its wonder. Voyager is a message in a bottle, a whisper of our existence in the eternal night. It travels on our behalf, carrying the memory of Earth into a future we can only imagine. In 40,000 years, it will pass near another star. Will anyone find it? The possibility makes the journey profound. Voyager connects us to the immensity of space and time, a story written in gold, floating forever among the stars.